Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to redeem keys on Steam Deck. You need a valid Steam product key and your Steam Deck connected to the internet. Firstly, locate under the left trackpad the Steam button. This will open the main menu. From the side menu, go to Settings. In Settings, navigate to Library section, then look for the Add Game button in the Add to Library square. Now, you need to enter your product code. The on-screen keyboard will pop up. Carefully enter your Steam key. And when you're done, just tap Confirm or press the check mark to proceed. Press the Steam button again and navigate to Library, and the game should now be visible in your library. Just select it and tap Install. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.